Hello, my dear friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. So, friends, it is finally happening. A big and important day is coming very soon for millions of Americans. Payments worth up to $1,500 are set to go out to qualifying Americans this month. At least 6 U.S. states have already confirmed that fourth stimulus checks will be sent out starting this week. My dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to find out if your state has its own relief payments. To say thank you for watching every day, I am giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please enter the giveaways. All you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaway.
The assault on American democracy. I believe America is at an inflection point. One of those moments that determine the shape of everything that's to come after. And now, America must choose to move forward or to move backwards, to build a future or obsess about the past, to be a nation of hope and unity and optimism, or a nation of fear, division, and of darkness. But together we can choose a different path. We can choose a better path forward to the future. A future of possibility, a future to build and dream and hope. And we're on that path moving ahead. I know this nation. I know you, the American people. I know your courage. I know your hearts. And I know our history. This is a nation that honors our Constitution. We do not reject it. This is a nation that believes in the rule of law. We've told ourselves that American democracy is guaranteed, but it's not. We have to defend it, protect it, stand up for it, each and every one of us.
In January of this year, all 50 states had a budget surplus. At least 29 states had a surplus of more than $1 billion. As of today, 21 state legislatures have decided to send some of that money back to residents. The 3 federal stimulus checks provided qualifying Americans with payments of $1,200, $600, and $1,400. But elevated costs for food, energy, gas, and many other products and services have continued to stretch Americans' wallets. According to the Anchorage Daily News, the Alaska budget signed by Governor Mike Dunleavy in June, including a one-time $650 energy relief payment and a $2,550 permanent fund dividend that would be sent to residents of Alaska. Governor Mike Dunleavy announced in July that the payments would begin arriving in bank accounts on September 20th, 2022. For those who submitted paper applications or asked for paper checks, the payments are expected to be sent out about 2 weeks later. Colorado Governor Jared Polis signed a law this year that would provide a $750 tax rebate for individual filers and a $1,500 rebate for joint filers. According to the Colorado Department of Revenue, those who file their state income tax return by June 30th will receive their checks by September 30th. For extended filers who meet the October 17th deadline, your refund will come in January 2023. The state of Virginia is also sending out a one-time tax rebate to all qualifying residents. According to the Virginia Department of Taxation, those who had a tax liability last year will receive up to $250 if they filed individually, and up to $500 if they filed jointly. These payments are expected to start going out in late September, but it is possible that some may not receive theirs until the following month. The Virginia Department of Taxation said that for those who are eligible and filed by July 1st, their rebate checks will be sent by October 17, 2022. That means that everyone should receive their payments by October 31st. The state of Illinois is providing one-time income and property tax rebates to residents that will begin being issued the week of September 12th, according to the Illinois Department of Revenue. For the income tax rebates, a single filer will receive $50, while married couples will receive $100, and those with dependents can receive a rebate of up to $300, with $100 provided per dependent, to a maximum of 3. Only those with an adjusted gross income of under $400,000 for joint filers and less than $200,000 for single filers are eligible for these rebate checks. While the refunds will begin being issued the week of September 12th, the Illinois Department of Revenue's website specified that they will take several months to be completely issued. Minnesota and the state of Hawaii will also be sending out payment reliefs this month. In a new poll, President Biden's approval rating recently hit 40% during the month of August. That is a 9-point spike from just 1 month ago. The new poll was published today and found that 40% of respondents approve of President Biden's job, rising from the 31% approval rating that he received from Americans in the same poll in July. 52% of those surveyed said they disapprove of the job that Biden is doing as U.S. president. Along party lines, 83% of respondents who identified as Democrats said they approve of the job that Biden is doing. That is an 11-point increase from last month's poll. The poll comes as President Biden and his administration have seen a slew of legislative victories in the past month, including the passing of his climate, healthcare, and tax package, and his announcement last week of his administration's initiative to cancel student loan debt for millions of Americans. So friends, what are your thoughts on the Biden administration right now? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my beautiful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Thursday. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching and joining me every single day. And I truly appreciate all of you. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway goes to Regina Featherstone. Congratulations, dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email or send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.